Good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss the question answers of chapter 4, separation of substances. Name any three methods used for separating a solid-solid mixture. The three methods used for separating a solid-solid mixtures are hand picking method, thrashing, and winnowing. Next question, what is winnowing? Give an example of a mixture whose components can be separated by this method. Solution. In this method, the mixture is allowed to fall from a height. The lighter components, the husk, get blown away to a distance while the heavier components or the grain fall down closer. Means heavy component वहीं पर गिर जाएगा और जो लाइट कंपोनेंट हस्क होगी एयर के साथ ब्लो कर जाएगी, किसी अदर प्लेस पे जाकर फॉल करेगी. Example, husk and grain. Next question. Some iron pins get scattered on the carpet. When you are expecting guests, how can one collect all the pins in the shortest possible time? Carpet पर pins गिर गई हैं, बिखर गई हैं, उनको आपने collect करना है. Then you use magnet. By magnetic separation, we can collect the pins. We can collect all the pins with the help of a magnet. Magnet attract all the pins scattered on the carpet. Next question. Name any three substances which sublime on heating. Means जो solid state से directly gas state में आ जाते हो. ऐसे आपने three substances बताने हैं. Three substances which sublime on heating are naphthalene, camphor, iodine. Next question. What is crystallization? Name any three substances which can be purified using this technique. Solution. Crystallization is a process which separates a pure solid in the form of its crystal from a saturated solution. Means हम solid को purify करते हैं by crystallization method. Three substances which can be purified using this technique are salt we get from the sea, alum, फिटकरी, vitriol, नीला तोता. Next section, section E. First question, differentiate between a pure substance and a mixture. Give two examples of each. A pure substance is made up of only one type of substance. But in mixture, a mixture is formed when two or more substances are mixed together in any proportion. Example, air, soft drink, sea water. And example of pure substances are sugar, salt, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Next question, state the difference between heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. Give two examples of each type. A heterogeneous mixture is that which do not have the same composition throughout. ऐसे mixtures जिसमें composition same ना हो, they are known as heterogeneous. But in homogeneous mixture, a homogeneous mixture is that which has the same composition throughout. For example, its components are uniformly distributed, but in heterogeneous mixture, components are not uniformly distributed. Examples, sand in water, iron nails in sand, pebbles in rice. These are the examples of heterogeneous mixture. Examples of homogeneous mixtures are a solution of salt or sugar in water, soft drinks, and alloys. Next question, can a mixture of iodine and camphor be separated by the sublimation method? Give reason for your answer. Solution, both iodine and camphor are sublime. दोनों ही iodine और camphor solid state से directly gas state में आ जाते हैं. So they cannot be separated by the process of sublimation. Next question, why does the size of naphthalene ball put in open keep on reducing with time? We know that naphthalene balls sublimate हो जाते हैं, means solid से directly gas state में आ जाती हैं. The size of naphthalene balls reducing with time when put in open because of sublimation. Next question, after a dust storm, how does rain help in making air clear? A rainfall after storm removes these dust particles and the air becomes clear and fresh. Again, the dust particles in the air get loaded with water and settle down. Thus, loading helps in cleaning the air more quickly. Next question, sawdust mixed in water cannot be separated by the sedimentation method. Why? Solution. Sawdust is lighter than water. Therefore, sawdust mixed in water cannot be separated by the sedimentation method. Because जो sawdust होगी वाटर से लाइटर होती है और वो फ्लोट करती रहती है. This means वो सेटल डाउन नहीं हो पाएगी. That's why this sawdust cannot be separated by the sedimentation method. The filtration method cannot be used to separate sugar and salt mixed in water. The filtration is a method is used to separate insoluble solids from a liquid. हमें पता है filtration में हम उन्हीं solids को separate कर सकते हैं जो insoluble हो. But salt and sugar both dissolve in water. Therefore, filtration method cannot be used to separate sugar and salt mixed in water. Salt and sugar दोनों ही water में dissolve हो जाती हैं. This means they cannot be separated by the filtration method. Next question. Describe the method of centrifugation using an appropriate example. It is a method used to separate the fine particles suspended in a liquid by rotating the mixture at a high speed. Means mixture को high speed से rotate किया जाता है. जो heavy particles होंगे वो bottom में settle हो जाते हैं, lighter particles top layer में आ जाते हैं. Separating cream from milk by churning it is an example of centrifugation. Cream being lighter floats at the top. Now friends, thank you for today.